Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, and it's the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I'm going to get this going right immediately because I need to have a nice lunch chat with my wife as soon as possible. But this is a miso variety from Myojo. Perfect. And, yeah, it takes 3 minutes. Yeah, we doing it? We got it? We're doing good. And here's what the packaging looks like. It does have a sachet as well. Myojo Shogin. It's a special miso fun. So there you go. And yeah, I'm trying to rush through this. It's my wife's lunchtime. So I want to talk to her while she enjoys her lunch. And I will be doing that shortly. So what's going on? What can I ramble about that's interesting? The whole thing right now, it's so cool because I wish I could ask you questions about how the whole political thing is going. I have no idea. But I know it's crazy right now, and I'm sure it's crazier. Is Nikki Haley still running? I bet you she's not. As much as she's going crazy about still running, I'm gonna bet she's not. Who knows? But yeah, I don't know. It's like I'm really. My wife was saying, actually, echoing my sentiment the other day, or actually last night. She's like, I'm sick of hearing young people complaining about Biden. I'm like, I agree. It's like the whole thing. I'm not going to vote for him for how he's handled Palestine. It's like, dude, really? Are you that stupid? Here's the deal. Israel is a sovereign country. Sure, we have close ties with them. But the only way we could actually, like, make them do anything is by going to war with them. Pretty much. I'm sorry, but you're not going to get a lot of people. I mean, if that happened, if say Mexico did to us what happened between Hamas and Israel, do you really think we would just go like, oh, we got to give them humanitarian aid and we've got to give them medicine and we got to, after, to help clean up after we bombed the crap out of them? No. Israel's actually doing that to some degree. I'm surprised. It's a war. You got all these young people, I don't like how it was done, blah, blah. It's like, I'm sorry. It's stupid. War is stupid. I don't like the fact that Israel is killing people. I don't like the fact that the Palestinians killed people. It's a shame. It's stupid. It's the 21st century. Why are we still like having conflicts? Yes, stupid. Humans. Why do you do this to me? You were the great hope of the Zardonians, and now look what you've done. We're not sending you our space happy time rooms. That's it. We're going to send you happy time rooms. We're going to send you this cheese that made your face get huge. But no, you don't get none of that now. You guys really screwed the pooch. So, all you guys ever do is fight and complain. We're just changing the name on all our star maps. We're calling this place Planet Karen. I don't know what the problem is. And to all people, men and or women, named Karen, I apologize how society has made your name the scapegoat of all people who are cranky. Broth. That's definitely miso. That is a piece of corn. a red miso cacophony of really not my kind of thing. Okay. That's fine. I don't know what he's watching on TV. I bet you he's watching YouTube. You're not supposed to watch YouTube. You're not out there watching YouTube, are you? What are you watching? Ah, okay, that's fine. He's watching Captain Underpants, folks. That's allowed. Yeah, him and his sister have really gotten into Dogman and Cap. Turn it down, though, dude. That's way too loud. Way too loud. Turn it down. It's too loud. Shave your own hairy armpits. Yeah, I'm not shaving your hairy armpits. You don't have hairy armpits, kid. There's that. I don't think she sent me a text yet, so I'm ahead of the game here. There's that. And there's our egg. Come on, Gudetama. Don't be so lazy. Gouda Ajitama. I attempted to soft boil 3 eggs today. Only 2 cooperated. Oh no, only 1 cooperated. And here, it will rest. We're done with that. Some sesame seeds. Yeah, as far as this miso goes, I am not a fan. It's funk, it's red. I don't like red miso all that much. It's just too earthy. A little bit of shichimi. And we are going to go to Rotato City. All right, like I said, I'm under a time crunch, so that's it for me for today. Thank you for watching. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, tell everybody you know, grab their phones out of their hands, subscribe, hit the notification bell, drive them nuts. Have a good one. Bye-bye.